السلام عليكم. Exercise 142 in the graph paper below, which are the equal vectors. Okay. The equal vectors are the vectors that have the same direction and the same magnitude. So they should have the same projections on both x and y axes. If we look carefully at the 5 vectors here, we will find c and v are the equal vectors. Okay, 4 units on x and 4 units on y, 4 units on x and 4 units on y, and both theta of c and theta of b are both at the northeast direction. Yes, لذلك نقول answer, so we can say c equals b. Okay. Who are the opposite vectors? A and D are the opposite vectors. F and A are not opposite because their extensions intersect with each other. Their extensions intersect with each other, so they are not parallel with each other. Okay, so the F and A are not opposite. Don't confuse that. Okay, but A and D are opposite. They have the same magnitude because both of them have 4 units on y and 4 units on x-axis. Okay. And if you take this arrow, the arrow of A, it here at this end, from this end to this end, what will happen? You will find A will be the same vector as D because they both will have the same theta, and both of their thetas will be at the northwest direction. Okay, so if you inverse the vector, the arrow of A will be the same as D, so A is the negative of D. Yes, this is a Y to make sure A is the same as D. So A equals the negative of D, or you can write D equals the negative of A. Both of them are right. Yes. Replot A and D. To replot A, you need to write 4 units on X and 4 units on Y, and plot A in the southeast direction. Yes. Yes. This is the southeast direction. Yes. And this theta A is also at the southeast direction. Yes. So this is an exact copy of the same magnitude and the same direction. Okay. D. To replot D, we need to write a vector that have D. Look at D. D have 4 units on X and 4 units on Y, but it is in the northwest direction. Okay. Northwest direction. Yes. So 4 units on y and 4 units on x. And it point at the northwest direction. Yes. Yes, this is exactly as D. So we copy it, we make an exact copy of D. Yes, this is D. Fourth, plot minus A and minus C. If we look at A is the negative of D, okay? So D is the same as minus A. So you don't need to replot minus A because D is the same as minus A, so this is enough. Yes. And minus C. Minus C is the same as C, but take the arrow from this end to this end. Yes. It has 4 units on x axis and 4 units on y axis. Yes. 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 So C going at the northeast direction. At this direction. This is how C point at the direction of pen. So the minus C, the negative of C, pointing this Y in the southwest direction. Yes. We just take the arrow from this end to this end. Yes. Imagine you are replotting C but taking the arrow from this end to this end. Yes, this is the negative of C. Yes. Fifth, plot the vector h, where h equals 3f. First, to plot h equals 3f. What is the projection of f on the y-axis? The projection of x on the y-axis is the 3 units, and its projection on the x-axis is also 3 units. 3 units, 3 units. So, how many units f should have on both x and y-axis? 3 by 3. 3 by 3, because it is multiplied by 3. So it should have 9 units on x and 9 units on y, and going at the same direction, and it is southwest direction. Yes, as you can see. So h should have 9 units on x and 9 units on y axis. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Exactly. And what is the direction? It is in the southwest. Yes. Because h should have the same direction as f, but 3 times longer. Yes. This is h. This is how can we plot h. Yes. Hopefully it was easy exercise for you. Yes.